Rabbit, rabbit. Did you hear that? Rabbit, rabbit. There must be a frog sitting nearby. Hey, why don't we draw a cute frog sitting on a lily pad today? Yeah, would you like to join me? Alright, let's get hopping. Are you ready? Yeah? So let's start by making a slightly curved line on the center. Alright, and now we are going to make another curvy line on each side, okay? Watch this. Alright, and now on the other side. Can start on the body. Let's make a long curve, okay? Watch this. And on the other side. Looking good. Let's add the eyes now. Let's make 2 circles. Alright, let's add 2 smaller circles as the highlights of the eye. Good job! Let's color that in. Good job, everyone! Now let's add a smile to this frog. Alright, I think now we can start to add the front legs. Let's make a line over here. And 3 small toes. And goes back up. Okay, now let's do that to the other side. Okay, let's finish off this body now. Looking good. Our frog is missing its back legs. Let's draw it now. Alright, and now it's time to draw the foot. Alright, now let's do that to the other side. And now the foot. Let's add the lily pad for the frog to sit on. So we are going to make a very long curvy line, okay? Watch this. Well done. Got it? Good job. And now this lily pad will have a cut in it. So we're going to make a sharp line, okay? Watch this. Alright? Yep, and now we can connect it back to the frog. Alright, let's add some decorations in the background. Let's add some tall grass and leaves, okay? So we're going to make a line over here. And go straight back down. Alright, so we're going to make this shape a couple of times, okay? Now watch this. And let's do that to the other side. We are going to make a long oval, okay? Like this. And draw a line from that oval to the tall grass. Alright, let's do that to the other side. Alright, I think our frog is now ready to be colored in. Yeah, let's do that. Hey, that frogs look so great! Thank you so much for joining me today. Did you guys have fun? Yeah, me too. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that we can draw again together. Alright, I hope you all have a nice day and I hope to see you on the next one, okay?